Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter milk. This incredibly easy method will have you enjoying a delicious, creamy drink in no time. You only need a few common ingredients and a blender. We'll start by gathering everything you need, including creamy peanut butter, your favorite milk, a touch of sweetener, and some ice. It's a simple process that yields fantastic results, perfect for a quick treat. Let's begin by combining our core ingredients. First, pour 1/2 cup of your chosen milk into the blender. Next, add 2 generous tablespoons of creamy peanut butter. This is where the rich flavor comes from. Finally, include 1 tablespoon of your preferred sweetener. Honey, maple syrup, or even a little sugar work wonderfully to balance the flavors and add a touch of sweetness to your drink. Now it's time to get blending. Add about 1 cup of ice cubes to the mixture in your blender. The ice will make your peanut butter milk wonderfully cold and give it a thicker, milkshake-like consistency. Make sure to secure the blender lid tightly to prevent any spills. Then, blend on high speed for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy with no ice chunks remaining. Once your peanut butter milk is perfectly smooth and creamy, it's ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the delicious beverage into a tall glass. For an extra touch of indulgence, you can drizzle a little more peanut butter on top or even sprinkle some chopped peanuts. This refreshing and satisfying drink is best enjoyed immediately, offering a delightful treat that's both easy to make and incredibly tasty. Cheers to your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.